Hi, what's up guys? Oh, I hope you guys are doing well during this quarantine. Today, I decided to film dyeing my hair a lavender purple. It's not really a dye, it's like a purple conditioner that I bought from this company. It's called Overtone. I've never used any of their products before, so hopefully it turns out really well. I got the pastel purple one. It's called the coloring conditioner. It was only like 30 bucks, so it wasn't that expensive, and it says that there's no lightening products, lightening agent, so I don't think it's like a bleach or a dye or anything. It's just a conditioner, and it's supposed to wash out like after a couple washes or something, but yeah, I decided to film this with you guys. Okay. First thing I'm gonna do is section my hair. Okay, so I sectioned it to one side. Oh, and I'm only gonna do the blonde parts of my hair because I got the lavender purple, so even if I get it on my black hair, I don't think the lavender is gonna show up because it's pretty light. I look really bad right now, but whatever. YOLO. YOLO! Okay, so I'm opening up the product. This. And the Overtone box came with this latex disposable gloves. There's two. I thought there was gonna be one, but there is two. Well, let's do this. My hands are always so small. These gloves are always so big. It smells kind of minty to me, not a strong mint, but like a small dose of mint. It says to do it on dry hair. So there it goes. Oh no! Apply some on the black parts too, just so like I don't have like a weird blonde in between my black and the purple parts. I am not a hair professional. Never colored my hair like this or crazy color before. By no means am I saying to do what I'm doing. And I'm going to section a little bit more. I wish I could just skip through this part. Like I'm probably going to skip through it in the YouTube video and then have everything dyed already and conditioned, but since this is real life, there's like a lot of product in here. So maybe like if my whole head was blonde and I'm trying to use it on my whole entirety of hair, I think it might be enough, but for how much I have right now, it should be enough. There's a lot of product. Unless your hair is like super freaking long, like all the way up to your butt or something, and you're trying to do the whole thing, I would probably buy two of them. Let's see how the first strand is. Oh, I see it. It's starting to I don't know what the word is. It's starting to colorize. The word I just made up. Okay. So I finished putting it on. You're supposed to leave this on for 15 minutes. And I actually used a lot more product than I thought I was gonna. I had a little bit left over, but I just finished it and used the whole thing because there was no need for me to save a little bit of it.
Just stay. 지금 이 시간을 멈춘 채.
So this is the final look. My hair is all dried and I didn't straighten it, but this is how it naturally is. I'm really satisfied with how it turned out. I didn't want it to be like a really bright color or anything, and I also didn't want it to be really dark either. I wanted it a pastel lavenderish color, and I wanted it to be very light too, so I think I achieved that.
Forever young boy, so we brought it down. 끝이 없을 것처럼 달려 너와 나.